Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco F8 Pro. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And inside that box you will find here another little yellow box, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. So take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here at the metal plate. Okay, let's start with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here. So press it well, that's where I insert it. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the other side of the SIM tray. So same thing, the contacts are on top. Press it now from both sides if you want to insert two SIM cards. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts are here on top as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.